Do you want to become a profitable trader and investor? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. In today's very special episode, I want to tell you July 5th is a date to remember in the history of Indian stock market. Yes, that was the date when one of the wizards of Indian stock market by name Rakesh Junjunwala was born. I want to wish a very happy birthday to Rakesh Junjunwala sir, the Indian Warren Buffett, who has been one of the role models for many aspiring and budding traders as well as investors. Yes, guys, today Rakesh Junjunwala hits 61 years of age. I pray Almighty with all my sincerity, humbleness, and dedication to give good health, wealth, and happiness to Rakesh Junjunwala. So, in this very special episode today, I want to tell you what are the investment and trading secrets of Rakesh Junjunwala, which any trader or an investor, if he follows, it will help him to definitely become more wealthy. Now, before I start sharing you that information, let us see what is the worth of Rakesh Junjunwala as on today and where did he start. In fact, Rakesh Junjunwala started with a very small capital of about 5,000 rupees, and in 1985 he was a chartered accountant and a person who came to stock market with no idea. He was not born with a golden spoon where his father gave him a capital and told you can invest and make great wealth. He started with that small capital of 5,000 rupees, and his father encouraged him to do what he wants, but just told him you have to become a qualified chartered accountant so that the risk of your career is taken care. And he even today says, Rakesh sir says, for him, there are two big gurus in his life. Number one, his father, and number two, the creator of DMart, Radha Kishan Damani. He says, these are my two mentors without whom I would have not been what I am today. And from the words of Rakesh Junjunwala sir, you can make out his two gurus in life is his father and Radha Kishan Damani, whom he considers as his guru for trading. And yes, Rakesh Junjunwala, who started just with 5,000 rupee from 1985 to today, he has built a wealth of about 34,350 crores in Indian rupee terms. And this is as per the latest Forbes list of richest people, and his net worth, which stands just on 3rd of July, is exactly 34,387,000 crores. So approximately what is there is around 34,300 plus crores, which is such a huge money. And if you calculate the returns from just a small capital of 5,000 rupee to where he is today, one has to have lot of great investment and trading lessons from Rakesh Junjunwala. He is a chartered accountant, but then he wanted to work on what gives him the required kick, passion, and what satisfies him doing so. He always says trading is required to generate the capital for long term investing, which gives you the real wealth. So, trading gives you the short term gains and the capital required to invest and build long term wealth. In one of his interviews with Udayan Mukherjee, Rakesh Junjunwala sir told, when asked about a person called Nimesh Shah, he told, I have never seen and I will not see even in future an analyst like Nimesh Shah. and Indian stock market has not seen before and will not see in future also a person like Nimesh Shah in terms of analyzing Indian stock market. Yes, he is the one who created Inam Security, and if you have seen the Harshad Mehta series, the movie clearly shows these characters like Rakesh Junjunwala, Radhakishan Damani, Nimesh Shah, Manu Manik, and many more people. Even today, Rakesh Junjunwala has highest respect to his contemporary like Nimesh Shah of Inam Securities. And in fact, he says Nimesh Bhai is the only Indian stock market analyst who has so much of data in his fingertips, and the way he analyzes market, the way he looks both investment and trading is exemplary. He says there is not and there will not be an analyst of Indian stock market better than Nimesh Shah. Yes, Nimesha, Radhakishan Damani, Rakesh Junjunwala, and many more people today are people who are the role models for budding traders and investors who wants to achieve big through Indian stock market. Now let us learn today what are the learnings from Rakesh Junjunwala for both investors and traders. So I want to tell you based on his investment and trading style, and even in some of the interviews where Rakesh has spoken, he clearly says he looks for companies with competitive advantage whenever he wants to invest big. That means these companies have a great USP, a unique selling proposition, or they have a great moat, which I say is something very unique with them, not so easy for competitors to copy. Look at stocks like Titan, even look at stock like Crisil when he invested. So he meets this condition of a competitive edge which is found in that company. Lesson number two, he says, for becoming a successful investor, you don't have to be right on all the calls. But if you can get few big winners, that is enough to take care of the mistakes what you do. Yes, even Rakesh did mistake by investing in stocks like DHFL, A to Z maintenance, and I can name some more. But then all his gains have come majorly from just three stock: Titan, Lupin, and then Crisil. Only from these three stocks, he has made over 50% of his total net worth as of today. And even today, his largest holding comes from Titan, and that is over 8,000 crores just even today. So if his total net worth is about 34,000 plus crore, and if 8,000 crore comes only from one stock, Titan, do understand you have to get one big stock just to change your life. But what people do, daily they want one Titan and weekly they want Lupin, Crisil, Titan and these type of stocks, and they think that is what is possible and that is what is required to make money. One Titan is enough in lifetime to change your financial destiny. Let me tell you the next lesson between trading and investing. Rakesh says, trading keeps me on my toes, it keeps my mind sharp, and price is everything for a trader. Bhav Bhagwan hai. However, as an investor, you have to wear a different hat in order to understand the company's prospect better, know the business, know the promoter, know the competitive edge, know the price at which you are buying that share, and do you have the margin of safety and valuation comfort. However, as a trader, he looks at trends. He in fact says if a stock price is just moving up, your job is to buy right and sit tight. However, as an investor, you have different attributes to see, but then trading and investing, he does both very, very well. Hardly we find people who are good traders and also good investors, because as a trader you have to wear a different hat where you see only momentum, price movement, and you might look at technicals, but then as a investor it's a different ball game. So he can pick stocks like Titan for investing, he can even pick stocks like Tata Motors for trading. So he has that skill to move between trading and investing very fast, very versatile, and very flexible. He also talks about big conviction. Look at the bet size what he has on stock like Titan. So when you feel this is a mouth watering opportunity, go full on. This is another learning what we get from Rakesh sir's investment and trading style. Also, during the times of Harshad Mehta, when valuations were so high and meaningless, he was ready to short the market, and he made so much money in the downfall which happened once the scam 1992 of Harshad Mehta was unearthed. He made more money on the shorting side at that time, and he was so flexible. From a bear he became a big bull post that situation and that market environment. He has always again been a flexible person to move from bear to bull or bull to bear depending upon market condition. In fact, during the tough COVID times, he had highest leverage of his life. For him, those were the times to go full on and buy great stocks, and the return what he has seen in last 2 years COVID time has been very huge. He also talks about having a lot of patience, and even today, Rakesh is not a person who buys a stock just because it is double, he will get out of it. The money what he has made in Titan is only because he has sat tight with the right stock. It is not buy anything and sit tight. You know what people do? They become long term investors just because they are losing money in that stock. It is not buy anything and sit tight. If you are on the right stock like Titan and you are making money, then yes, sit very tight. Also, we have to learn from Rakesh, passion is everything. He has made so much of money from stock market. Next 100 more generations can take care through the wealth what he has made. He need not work. He need not do anything today. If he can just put his money in treasury bill of Reserve Bank of India, or just puts his money on a bank FD, and from the safest like SBI, if he even takes 4.5-5% return per annum on his capital, imagine the money what you get on a net worth of around 33,000 crore. Even if I calculate 5% on that amount, that will be close to 1,650 crores. And I'm talking this money per annum, and if you do it per month, it is again easily, I'm using the word easily, over 120 to 130 crore. A guy making 100 plus crore monthly through a bank FD return on his net worth. Should he work hard today and should he be in market? Even today he is so dedicated. Morning at 8, 8:30 he is full on market. He is on his terminal to see what next. He tracks his trading positions and he takes the right call. Does he do mistake in market? Definitely yes. But then his winners are much bigger than his losers. Look at the passion what he has. Money is just a result out of his investment and trading, but the passion what he has towards market is what makes him different from others. Yes, we have so much to learn from the big bull of Indian stock market, Rakesh Junjunwala. And on behalf of everyone here from my team, also I want each one of you to wish Rakesh sir many happy returns of the day, and let us all sincerely pray for his good health, wealth, and happiness. I'm sure you will also pray for Rudra for good health, wealth, and happiness to share much more inputs like this to people like you through your channel Rudralogy. Do forward this video to as many people as possible and make them even understand the secrets of investing and trading from the big bull of Indian stock market, Rakesh Junjunwala. I'm sure I'm waiting for your comments below, for your wishes and for your sincere prayers, both to Rakesh Junjunwala and Rudramurthy. I am proud to say I am also a chartered accountant like Rakesh Junjunwala sir, and we will follow your good learnings and your experience and expertise about Indian stock market both in the field of investing and trading will be taken, and we will spread this right message to as many people as possible. Thank you so much for giving this information, and we will wish you all once again, we will wish, each one of us will wish Rakesh Junjunwala sir a many happy returns of the day. Thanks for watching this program. I'm sure you have to re-watch this again, make lot of notes, implement them in your trading and investing for you to become financially more successful. Thank you so much. Waiting to read your comments. Take care of your health, wealth, and be very happy. Thank you. Bye bye.